to fight streets. Show me Bahamas for playing Paris. Hey, Poppy, I don't need none of that big brain. But I'm talking, I got these for a fact. Really go for big, I can speak for the death. Steal all the raps, and my patience hold me the cap. Underestimate the truth. 9 out of 10, I'm satisfied to your bulletproof. All the boys are holding hands, I'm hoping for the national issue. You are what you need, you rap niggas looking pussy, can't sit. I've been in the bed, I never worry about my daily sit. Sign of the boys that I feel like work lifestyle, and that's what we got to be. Blueprint, Raleigh, Sassy, all these words. All about the sweet and the careful. Ghetto Ballerina and I are not dual artists. We are separate entities, but we work well together. A lot of people think that female rappers should always have beef. And that's what really disappoints me because we're such a minority. We should be building each other up, you know what I'm saying?
Hansi, you killed it.
Thank you.
On the stage.
I appreciate that. Thank you so much, everybody. You like it?
I think I need to come back.
Come here, El Shaddai.
That's too much. It's too much, girl. But yes, you killed it, and congratulations.
Thank
on the
you.
Successful performance.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
Yes. How are you feeling when you were on stage for WCW?
You know, this is my first ever experience, so I'm really, really nervous because I haven't really performed in front of people like this. You know? And the reception was so great. I really appreciate it. This is one of the performances that are leading to my main performance next week, Saturday. So I'm really excited for the reception.
Yeah. Okay. Awesome. Yeah. But speaking of next week, Saturday, they're gonna fill up Ramatex, right?
Yeah.
It's the hashtag Refilwe album tour.
Yes.
NAM was it? Okay, I think I messed up the hashtag, but you know it's the Refilwe tour and he's coming to Namibia, guys. And you're gonna be on stage as well.
I am.
Oh my god.
I'm really nervous for that. That's my biggest stage ever, guys. I'm really happy. Please come through. It's at Ramatex, 150 is a ticket and 1,500 VIP. Please come. Are you coming?
Of course we're gonna be there.
Yeah, you guys are gonna be there. Hope to see you.
Yeah.
Hey, what's up? This is Lioness. You're watching This Entertainment. Got a new single out entitled Back to Basics and a video. So check that out and catch me at Ramatex.